Today we're taking a closer look at leafcutter bees and the damage that leafcutter bees can cause. We have these beautiful rose bushes around us, which is a particular favorite of the leafcutter bees. In this native species, the females will actually use their mouth parts and cut these dime-sized perfect circles in the leaves. They'll then take that leaf back to an empty cavity that they find, and they'll use it to line their brood chamber. So each little chamber will have an egg in it. That's where the larvae will develop, and then out comes a new leafcutter bee in the spring. So even though the damage is a little bit unsightly on these leaves, keep in mind that leafcutter bees are native and they're great pollinators to keep around.